my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get or how to do these twists with Amazon hair. I know it's been a minute since I've been gone. One big life update: I moved from St. Louis to Texas. I live in Houston, Texas, well, Katy, Texas, and there will be a separate video about that. If you're here for the hair details, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, cousins, this is I'm showing you both packs of the hair. Unfortunately, I got this hair like last year, so the ginger or the orange or T350 is no longer on Amazon, but the burgundy is in other colors, so I'm still going to show you the links. I got 14 braids in the front and 7 braids in the back. I had to put me a little hair oil on just to make sure, and I almost messed up my makeup. All right, y'all, so there's the back of my head, and there's about 7 braids back there, if I'm not mistaken. Now, in each pack, there comes with 16 twists. Now, I will say that sometimes the twists are a little tighter in certain bags than others, but most of the time they're actually loose, but it's 16 strands in each bag. I always start at the front of my hair and install, because I feel like you want to make the front as full as possible, and most of the time the hair in the front will cover the back. And I also keep track of what I do on each side. So on the left side, if I apply 4 twists on the lower right, I'm going to apply 4 twists on the lower left as well. And then when you get to the top of your hair, I've said this in plenty of my videos, when you get to the top of your hair, you always want to make sure the parts, like if you prefer a middle part, if you prefer a side part, you want to make sure those are as full as possible. We'll put as many crochet braids on there as you can, so that way there's no gaps. And that's pretty much the back of it, nice and full. And I actually only used, like I said, I only used a portion of, I used all 3 of the red bags, but I also used, I want to say 7. No, I used everything. I used all of them. And now I'm just getting my edges together, and I use She Is Bomb edge control. I always use a comb first and then followed up with maybe a toothbrush or edge brush. But I just moved here, so I lost my toothbrush and I don't have an edge brush, so we're just going to use this comb today. And that's pretty much the gist of the hairstyle. This hair was easy to install, and it's gorgeous. I ain't even gonna lie, it is gorgeous. Hopefully they bring back the 350, but like I said, the link will be in the description box below for the hair. Thanks so much for watching, Cuzn. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you have, just comment below and just let me know anything. I don't know. Are these videos helpful? Do you want to see more Amazon crochet hair? Do you have any suggestions on some crochet hair from Amazon that you want me to try? Comment below, and I will see y'all in the next video.